In the quiet village of Eldermere, nestled between rolling fields and meandering rivers, a boy named Jacob Reynolds was born into a life of simplicity and hardship. His family, humble farmers, toiled under blazing sun, harvesting crops to sustain their modest existence. Jacob's father, a man of few words with immense wisdom, often told him, "The world is bigger than these fields, son. If you dare to dream, you can shape your own destiny." From a young age, Jacob was drawn to books, despite the limited access to education in his village. His mother, recognizing his thirst for knowledge, saved what little she could to buy him secondhand books from the town market. By the flickering light of an old kerosene lamp, Jacob would read until sleep claimed him. School was miles away, and every morning he walked the dusty roads, determined to learn. His teachers saw something special in him, a mind sharp and eager, a heart filled with boundless determination. They encouraged him to enter regional competitions, and soon his name became known beyond the village. As Jacob grew, so did his aspirations. He dreamed not just of a better life for himself, but for his village, his people, and those who had never been given a chance to rise. With sheer perseverance, he earned a scholarship to study in the capital. Leaving his home was the hardest decision, but he knew that to bring change, he had to first embrace it himself. The city was overwhelming. Tall buildings, rushing cars, and people who seemed too busy to notice a simple village boy. But Jacob never wavered. He studied tirelessly, excelling in political science and public administration. He became known for his eloquence and deep understanding of governance. While many saw politics as a game of power, Jacob saw it as an opportunity to serve. His journey was not without hardship. There were moments of doubt, betrayals from those he trusted, and battles against corruption that threatened to swallow his ideals. But he held on to his father's words. His destiny was to shape. After years of working as a social advocate, rallying for rural development and educational reforms, Jacob entered the world of politics. His grassroots campaigns resonated with the people. He spoke not as a politician, but as one of them, a boy who once walked barefoot on the very soil they tilled. He climbed the political ladder with integrity, never forgetting the struggles of his childhood. Decades after leaving his village, Jacob stood before thousands, his name echoing in chants of victory. He had been elected as the president of his nation. The boy who once read by a kerosene lamp had now become the beacon of hope for his people. On his first official visit back to Eldermere, he walked the same dusty roads, now paved, and saw children attending schools with books in hand. His father, now aged but proud, grasped his son's hands and whispered, "You shaped your destiny, Jacob, and now you are shaping others." Jacob's story was more than just a rise to power. It was a testament to resilience, education, and an unbreakable spirit. It proved that where you come from does not define where you're going. It's the choices you make, the knowledge you seek, and the heart you carry that shape the future.